So for this video, we're gonna go over how to properly check a patient into Whiteboard. As you can see, Good Dog came in for an exam with Dr. Ryan. He has been having some loose stool after getting into the trash and also a decrease in appetite. So the owner doesn't want to bring him home because she doesn't want to clean up any messes. So he's gonna stay overnight in the hospital and we'll reassess in the morning. But for now, we're gonna start him on some metronidazole and we're gonna give him a Serenity injection and some Candy. So once we've done all of that, we need to schedule his treatments. We're going to go to the whiteboard, and this is where we're going to adjust his check-in status as well as his out date. In order to do that, make sure you're under the checked-in tab, and you need to find your patient. You're going to want to open the plus sign, double-click on the client name, and this will bring you to the change check-in little window right here. This is where we're going to go to the out date, and we're going to want to change it to 20 days. The reason that we're doing 20 days is to ensure that we schedule enough treatments for if the patient was to stay longer than planned, and to also make sure that all of the treatments are properly done and to try and decrease any errors with Whiteboard, as we've had a couple. So today's the 6th, so I'm going to go 7, open that back up, 7/14/21, I'm going to click right here for 20 days. And then the status here, I'm going to change to hospital. So now that the out date has been changed to 20 days later and the status has been changed to hospital, I can click OK in order to start scheduling treatments. If you open up the status window, you'll see there are 4 different options. Right now, the 2 that we're using is the hospital and the boarding. Hospital is whenever they come back to the treatment room, dog or cat ward, and are staying overnight over here or in ISO. And boarding is whenever they're on the resort side of the building. Okay? So now that he has been properly checked in, I can go to the Schedules tab and start scheduling some treatments.